Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal. Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Astalakshmi ma'am. Children, have you completed your notes? Yesterday I gave you the notes, no? Have you completed it in the textbook and in the classwork? I hope everyone has completed that. Okay. Now we are going to complete our module 4 in workbook. Open your workbooks, children, everyone. Page number 37. Take out your workbooks, children. In the previous classes, what we have learned in the workbook part, prefix. Yes, the vocabulary part, prefix we have done. Today we are going to write about the suffix. What is suffixes? Suffixes. What are suffixes, children? See here, what are suffixes? Suffixes are the words which are added to the at the end of the word. At the end of the word. See here, a suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to the end of a word to form a new word. If the letter group of letters or a letters added to the at the end of the word to form a new word. It is called as suffix. Adding a suffix to a word changes the part of speech of that word. See here, adding ns, adding ness, ness, or ion. How it changes? See here, children. Awareness, awareness. We are adding this ness to the word. This is the suffix. Ness is a suffix. Here, adding ly also. Hard, hardly. Adding full, joyful. See what we can add here. Ly also we can add. Hardly. It becomes hardly. Yes, children. Full. Joyful. What it becomes, children? Joyful. Yes. Now see here. Exercise 2.1. They have given. Check it once. What it is there. You should add the base word they have given. You should add the suffix to that. What it is? Ness and ly. Ness and ly you should add. See here. Kind, kindness. Kind. You should add kindness. Ness you should add. Next one. Softness. Softness. And ly also you should add, children. Kindly. Softly. Yes, neatness. Neatly. I have done 3. You have to do the remaining 3. Yes, fresh, freshness, freshly. Fresh, freshness, freshly. Clever, cleverness, cleverly. Honest, honestness, honestly. Yes, children, now going to the 2.2. See here 2.2, children. See here, children, now 2.2. 2.2. They have given the balloons. The balloons. These balloons are about to fly off. Draw strings to attach the balloons to the box with the correct suffix to make a new adjective. See here. Help, helpful, careful, rejection, attraction, joyful. Yes, subtraction. The 6 balloons are there. You should match these balloons for the FUL full and ION. What are the balloons which matches there? See here. Helpful. Careful. Joyful. For these balloons, these 3 balloons will match us to the full. Shun. See here. Rejection. Attraction. Subtraction. Yes, children, these 3 balloons matches to the ION. See, check it properly and do it in your workbooks, children. Yes. Now coming to the grammar part, pronouns. What it is, children? Grammar part, pronouns. Okay. Shall we start the pronouns, children? Okay then. Open your books. Already you have opened the books. Yes, children. Now see, we will start the pronouns. Okay. See here, children, grammar. What it is there? Pronouns. Already I have explained you before. Nouns. Yes, children. Nouns mean what? Names. Names of place. Yes. Thing. Animal. Person. Now coming to pronoun. Pronoun is what? See here, they have given first, underline the pronouns they have given. First, what is pronoun we should learn? Yes, children? Pronoun is that instead of a noun we will use, that words are called as pronouns. Instead of a noun we will use, that words are called as pronouns. Yes? Now see here, the old explorer were very brave. They traveled to strange lands. I am an explorer too. My brother also likes exploring new places. Other children find us to be very different. They sometimes make fun of us. I do not listen to them because exploring is my passion. See here. In this, you should underline the pronouns. What are the pronouns? Here, you should underline the subject pronoun and object pronoun in their sort out their respective columns. Okay, children? Now, we are going to learn first of all what is subject pronoun and what is object pronoun. Yes, subject pronoun is used as a subject. Means who or what does the action of a sentence in place of a noun. An object pronoun is used to replace the noun that receives the action of a verb. See here, subject pronoun, object pronoun. See here, pronoun. First of all, subject pronoun what means it tells who or what does. Who or what does. Who or what does. And coming to the object, it replaces the noun. It replaces the noun to show the verb. It replaces the noun to show the verb. Yes, means the action of a verb. Now coming to here, reflexive pronoun. What is reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun means what, children? See here. When the subject and the object refer to the same person or a thing, a reflexive pronoun is used. In a reflexive pronoun, the subject is doer and receiver of the action. Doer and receiver of the action. See here. Now I wrote here, she gifted herself a book. Herself a book. See here, children. Here, herself is a reflexive pronoun. Herself is a reflexive pronoun. Yes, children. First, what is subject and what is object we will see. After that, we will go to the reflexive pronoun. See, subject means I have what here. First, listen here, children. I am teaching here. Yes, I am doing some action. Here, yes, I am teaching. Who is listening? You are listening. Yes, here I is a subject. You is a object. Yes, children, what action I am doing here? Here, I am teaching. I am teaching you. I am teaching you. Here, I, the subject. I am the subject. And you are the object. Subject means what? Who is doing the action. Who is doing the action. Object means what? Who is receiving the action. Who is receiving the action. Understood, children? Subject means what? Who is doing the action. Object means who is receiving the action. I am teaching. What? Who is I am teaching means who is listening here. Who is learning or listening? Who is doing? You are doing. Then I am the subject and you are the object. Understood, children? Now, what about the reflexive? Reflexive means see about ourselves. I will ask you. You have done your homework means what you will say? Yes, ma'am, I have done. I said yourself. You have written yourself. I said means yourself. It is a reflexive pronoun. It is a reflexive pronoun. Myself, yourself. Yes, children. Means we are doing our work ourselves. Means doer and receiver are both equal. Both we are only. Yes, children. Here, see. She gifted herself. See, I gifted myself. Means what? I have written myself. Means I have done my work myself. To me only it receives. Yes. The action is going to me only. Then what it is? It is a reflexive pronoun. See, when reflexive pronoun are used to put emphasis on the subject, they are called emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronouns. They emphasize that the subject both did and received the action. See, she can complete the project by herself. Gaurav can repair the toy by himself. Understood, children? This is about the reflexive pronoun. See here, singular and plural. I have already taught you in the previous classes about the singular and plural. Singular means one, plural means more than one. Here, subject pronoun, object pronoun, reflexive pronoun, they are given. See, once we will check it about this. See here, subject is what? I. I said subject is I. And coming to object pronoun, me. Coming to reflexive, myself. Yes, children? See, this is the singular and it is subject, object, reflexive. Okay, coming to the plural form. We, us, ourselves, ourselves, because it is a plural form. It is a plural form. We means more than one, us means more than one, ourselves means more than one. But here see, I, me, myself. We, us, ourselves. See, singular reflexive pronoun are formed with self. Plural, selves. I said no, children, see here. S-E-L-F, self. S-E-L-V-E-S, selves. This is a singular form and that is a plural form. When a reflexive pronoun replaces phrases like on, my, her, is, our, their, own, the preposition on should be changed to by. See here. Sonia did it on her own. Sonia did it by herself. Understood, children? Whenever we are going to the reflexive pronoun, here on is replaced by. On is replaced by. On is replaced by. In the place of on, we will write by and we will write the reflexive pronoun. Understood, children? Now we are going to see. You should complete the exercise 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and 3.4 about the pronoun. Okay, children? Now I will make you to complete it. And okay, children, open your books. Already you have opened. See the page number 40. See here, children, 3.1. Fill in the blanks with the correct reflexive pronoun. One is done for you. See, I made dinner all by myself. John took a trip to Japan by himself. Salma cut herself while chopping vegetable. Harun and his family built a house for themselves. Harmon drew a portrait of himself. The kitten made itself comfortable on the couch. Understood, children? Complete the 3.1. See here, children, 3.2. 3.2. See. He dressed herself this morning. He dressed himself this morning. He himself. We had to cook all themselves as our parents were out of town. We had to cook all by ourselves as our parents were out of town. The lady spoke to himself as she crossed the road. The lady spoke to herself as she crossed the road. Himself has changed to herself. See here, children. Himself has changed to herself. I take pictures of himself. I take pictures of myself. Did you take lessons in painting or did you learn it itself? Did you take lessons in painting or did you learn it yourself? The players decided to call herself the Kolkata Knights. The players decided to call themselves the Kolkata Knight. Understood, children? Complete the 3.2. Now going to 3.3. Yes, children? Complete the 3.3 also. See, our dog Minnie was playing. She was playing. You should replace the underlined words with the suitable pronouns from the box. Okay, children? See here. See here, children. My mother sent my brother and me outside. My brother sent us out. My mother sent us out. Here, my brother and me becomes us. My mother sent us outside. My sister finished the work on her own. Here, underline on her own. My sister finished the work by herself. My brother threw the frisbee to Rahul and Sunny. My brother threw the frisbee to them. Greta rewarded Greta with a yummy dinner. Greta rewarded herself with a yummy dinner. Sarah, Shobha and Ika are best friends. They are best friends. Yes, children, complete it. 3.2 this is. And now we're coming to 3.4. Replace the underlined words with suitable subject, object, and reflexive pronouns. One is done for you. See, Teja is painting a picture. Tejas is using this favorite paintbrush. Tejas always takes good care of the paintbrush. Reena is cycling. Reena is wearing a dress and a hat. Ravi and Rohan are running. Ravi and Rohan are having fun. Chetan is finishing fishing. He has made a fishing rod for Chetan. The children are having fun. Nothing can disturb the children. These underlined words you should change. See here, I have changed it here. See here. Teja is painting a picture. He is using here Tejas. He have written he. He is using his favorite paintbrush. Tejas always takes good care of it. Reena is cycling. She is wearing a dress and a hat. Ravi and Rohan are running. They are having fun. Chetan is fishing. He has made a fishing rod for himself. The children are having fun. Nothing can disturb them. This is your 3.4. Complete it clearly, children. Tejas is painting a picture. He is using his favorite paintbrush. Tejas always takes good care of it. Reena is cycling. She is wearing a dress and a hat. Ravi and Rohan are running. They are having fun. Chetan is fishing. He has made a fishing rod for himself. The children are having fun. Nothing can disturb them. So your children complete 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and 3.4. Okay children, by this we will completing the module 4 grammar part.